Okay, so this checkout challenge is from the Intermediate Numeracy paper 1 from November 2016. It's paper 1, so we can't use a calculator. And it's the second question on the paper, which means it's a grade D standard question. It's also the OCW question of the paper, so you need to be able to demonstrate that you can organise and communicate your work in a way that anybody reading it can understand it. But what it doesn't mean is that you need to write an essay. It's just all to do with how you organise your work. So Roland is going to buy some orange juice for a party. Which size bottle of orange juice offers the best value for money? You must show your working. So what we have are 3 different sizes, and in order to make the decision which one is the best value for money, what you have to do is have these in comparable values. So when I look at that, I can see I've got a 300ml and a 400ml and a 500ml, so I can work out each of those as an equivalent for 100 milliliters. So for the small one, to work out 100ml would be 66 divided by 3. And it's a non-calculator paper. So 3 goes into 6 twice, 3 goes into 6 twice. So the small bottle, 100ml, costs 22p. Then we do the same with a medium. This time it will be 92 divided by 4. So 4 goes into 9 twice, with a remainder of 1. 4 goes into 12 3 times. So 100ml costs 23p. And then finally we do the same for the large. So we can divide by 5 to get 100ml. If I keep it in pence, so write 125. 5 goes into 1, it doesn't. So we move to the next digit. 5 into 12 goes twice. Remainder 2. 5 into 25. So 100ml costs 25p. So now I have for each bottle a comparable price per 100 milliliters, and it's showing us that the one that's the best value for money is in fact the small one, because it's only costing 22p for every 100 meters. So to finish this off then, so the small bottle is best value. And that's as far as the 2 marks for the organisation and communication. That's good enough. It's clearly telling for every line what I'm doing. I'm working with a small one. I'm finding 100 milliliters by dividing, and there's my calculations, and then I have a conclusion. B. Galina needs to buy exactly 800 milliliters of orange juice, which is the best option for Galina. You must show your working and consider all options. Well, what we need to do to find exactly, it's a key word, okay? So there's no point me buying 2 500ml, because that's too much. I can't buy a 500 and a 400 because I'm looking for exactly. So how can I buy combinations of bottles which will give me exactly 800 milliliters? Well, I can either buy 2 400ml bottles, which would be 2 lots of 92p, which is at £1.84. So it's either going to be £1.84 or a small and a large. So 300ml plus 500ml, which is going to be £1.25 plus 66 pence. Remember, this is a non-calculator paper, so you have to deal with this however you're comfortable. If you do it in your head, great. So 5 and 6 is 11, 1 down, carry 1. 6, 8, 9, £1.91. So which is the best option? Best option is too small, because it's cheaper. Okay, you must show your working and consider all options. Done. You must give a reason for your choice. So if you just said 2 small bottles, that wouldn't be enough. The reason for your choice is they are cheaper.